Hi everyone, welcome to another video from our Klara Markova series. Today we've got these cute little, I think they're blue flowers. I don't know why, my mind immediately said they were going to be blue, so that is what they're going to be. I'm having a little look now at the blues. I think I'm going to start with the sky blue and work from there. So I'm going to have a look at where it's going to be darker. Again, Klara has drawn on some lines for us, which is always nice and helpful. So I'm going to start with this line here and then gently fade that colour up like that. And this one, the line is almost at the bottom but not quite, and just fade that up, and again here following that line, and this time fading it downwards like that. Now we have these little dots. I would like to do those in this dark colour as well, just because we've got a white background going on. I think they'll show it better. I don't know if they're, I'm always unsure when you've got these things, whether it's just supposed to be a curled line like a tendril which hasn't got anything on the end, or whether it's supposed to be like a got pollen or a seed or something. But today I've decided to colour it in. Sometimes I don't. Now I'm going to use the Cerulean blue light to do a little bit more on these. So I'm just going to extend the colour up almost to the end of each of the blossoms, I suppose they are, like that. And we're going to use one last green, blue, not green, to finish off. Oops. And we're going to use the Cobalt Turquoise in the spaces. Now I really want this quite light because I want to be able to see the difference between the light and the dark. So I'm going to apply it really gently. Now if you struggle with gentle application, just imagine you're stroking the paper, that it will bruise easily, that you've got to be as gentle as you can, and that helps you. It can be tricky to learn not to be heavy-handed, but it can be worth it learning if you feel that you would like that skill. Now the branch I'm going to do next. I'm going to start with this sort of mid-brown. The Van Dyck brown is the mid-brown that I have in my set, and I'm just going to go all over with it, a little bit like we did on the other one. But what I'm thinking is, it looks like it's darker here. We've got some shading already for us, so I'm just going to go over that a little bit more in the brown, in the Van Dyck brown. And then I'm going to take a lighter brown. Yeah, I have the sepia. I think it's a little bit reddish, but I'm going to use that just for the rest of this a little bit. Like that. So I'm doing it in a little bit of a different way to how we did the other branch. I think it's nice just to show you a different method. Now the end again I think should be light. I'm going to try a different colour, the yellow ochre light on the end rather than the light terracotta which we used yesterday. I'm not sure it makes a big difference, but I'm going to use a little bit of that there too, just on the branch, just a few strokes. Okay, we've got a leaf now. I thought we would use a couple of greens that we haven't used yet. Oh, I think we've used that one, but not that one. That one's not going to match. We'll have to jump along. We're going to use the Viridian again for our base. So we could take it darker here and make it look like the leaf is slightly sort of bent in towards the centre. If you take it just in one direction, it makes that look like it's slightly higher than that and gives the illusion that the leaf's just slightly bent over. Let's see if we can get it to work. Take a little bit of it up there make it really dark in the centre. And then we're actually going to use the Terre Verde for the rest of the leaf. So go over the top of everything already. Now this is not a really pale colour. Oh, it is. Well, that's okay. It's quite a grey green. I'm trying to sort of go over the dark a bit to emphasise it and do a little bit less on the rest. But I sort of want this top leaf to be significantly lighter on the bottom bit. There we go. It's just a different way of doing it. So that's that one done. We seem to be moving through some of these quite quickly. Got a cute cat there. We're not going to colour that. We could use some gel pens or something, or some lighter pencils, but we won't. We're going to actually do our blackberry tomorrow. Oh, excuse me. I've done a lot of blackberry colouring before for you, but I can't resist having another go. I really enjoy colouring them, so I hope you'll join me in my indulgence and come and have fun colouring a blackberry. But for today, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day and happy colouring.